Hey guys, we are back. Today is Monday 23rd of April 2018 and let's do a quick recap of last week. So last week I posted a video on Friday showing a 0.56 profit. By the end of the day I have closed 3 more orders. I was not at the computer to close the orders manually, but I placed a trailing stop on the orders once I got my signal for exit, and I used 15 pip trailing for the current candle. They did close in profit, and we are standing now at 882 euro profit for last week. So these are the 3 orders that we had: dollar CAD, euro, dollar, and Australian dollar with US dollar. Overall they made 300 and a bit profit, so that's not bad. And let's have a look at the current orders that we have and see where we're getting. Before I start jumping into trades, I would like to throw a small disclaimer there, since we are trading real money here. This is not a signal follower, this is not a signal service. Do not copy my trades. If you do and you lose money, it is your own fault. So gold have a buy signal on the current candle, so that means that when this candle will close, I will have a buy entry on it. Then Swiss franc is doing nothing. It's been going up the last week, but now it's going a bit down. I expect this to go a bit down based on what other Swiss pairs have been doing, but time will tell. British pound, I see a buy coming very soon. It might be on this candle, it might be in 1 or 2 candles from now. As you can see, it moved down. Let's see what was the movement. 430 pip going down. So I do see a buy coming soon on this pair. There's nothing yet. Euro dollar, we have a buy on the previous candle. Now this candle is starting slowly to rise. We have a sell on Japanese yen with US dollar. It's been going up a bit. We'll see if a second entry will come or not. This might not be a good level to enter, but this might be one that I like. This is gonna be around 100 pip, 95 pip, so that might be a second entry. Dollar CAD, I see a sell coming soon. Nothing yet, we're not there yet, but on this level I might get a signal to enter again, or might not, depends what the market is gonna do. Australian dollar, we have a buy on the previous candle. Euro British pound, we talked about it last Friday. This trade was entered on Friday, so we're waiting on that. Euro with Australian dollar, nothing yet. I do see a sell on this level, but as I have mentioned previously, I'm using one indicator, and that's telling me when it's a good time to enter and when I should just wait for the market to move somewhere else. Swiss franc, it is showing that it's gonna come down. How much is gonna come down, I don't know. If I get an exit signal on this candle, then this is gonna be a loss trade. But as you can see, I made some profits, and currently I'm doing quite nice. 0.14 on profit. It is only Monday. I have not closed any trades, although I do have some trades that I want to close today. Japanese yen, we have been on euro yen since last Monday. As you remember, I have entered somewhere on this candle, I believe, and it's been going down, up, down, up. It's no clear direction where it's gonna go, so we're just waiting for the market to find a good place. I do see a take profit coming on this candle, maybe the next one. Let's see how much from all the way the spike at the bottom of the candle. We have 140 pip. We could have taken profit on that. It's 140 pip is quite a bit, so I would be happy to take that, but I'm still waiting. This might go lower, or it might retrace a bit. If it does retrace, then I'm not gonna be super happy for waiting for multiple days until I actually close my trade, when I could take now. But never rush, don't rush. Make your analysis, sorry, and take your trades based on that. Close your trades based on that. Know in advance what's gonna happen. We had nothing on a British pound. We have a sell on Australian New Zealand dollar. Australian Canadian dollar, we have a buy. We'll see. This was quite nice in profit. How much was it max? 115 pip. Again, we didn't take profit, although the market might continue to go down. I will take profit when I'll think it's the time. This has rolled down quite a bit. We're not nowhere near dangerous. It's only 50 pips, so we're waiting for a bounce from this level. It might go lower, it might not. We'll see what the market is gonna, how the news that we're expecting this week are gonna move the market. We have a buy on Swiss franc, Japanese yen. We have talked about this one and why the order is smaller than the other ones. I don't think I need to go over that again. If you want to go, then the video was posted on Friday. New Zealand dollar, we have 2 sells on this one. The price came back a bit, but not enough. We didn't get an exit signal, so we were still on the trade and waiting for a movement. Another level, let me scroll the chart a bit. So it's been going up for a bit. How much is the whole move? The whole move was 400 pip, let's say 400 exactly. So it's not much, but we're expecting some down move pretty soon. Euro CAD, nothing. CAD Swiss franc, we have a few pip here, also profit. I think it's nothing. It's 48.50 pips, so that's, we're still waiting for more. New Zealand, Japanese yen, we have another buy that we entered on, I believe it was the red candle that goes down. That was on Friday, and we had a roll down through this level on New Zealand US dollar. Expecting a bounce. I might have a second entry coming in today for this one. I might have it tomorrow or the day after, unless it goes straight up. We'll see. And let's have a look at the last pairs. We have British with Canadian. We have a buy on this one. Quite a nice level, I would say, for a buy, but another buy on British pound. So I have 2 buy on British with Canadian and Australian dollar. Both of them are in small profit. The market is currently going down for both of them, so we'll see. Nothing on New Zealand with the British pound, nothing. And then we have a buy on this one. I did get a signal for last Friday. I was watching the market and I did get a signal on this candle to enter a second position. What happened was it went down to a level where I wanted to take a second entry, and I'll show you where. See, it is 100 pip. And I was watching the market. I set my alarm for when the candle closed. When the candle closed, the price was all the way up, and I didn't want to enter a position because the distance from this candle was not enough for me. This was 60 pip, and I didn't want to crowd my chart with a lot of orders in a small period of time. Therefore, I skipped the trade. Now, if the market will retrace to this price again, then I will enter based on this signal. But if it goes up, then I will just leave it be. And silver. Ooh, we are at a point where I would want to take my profits. I was waiting on this candle. I didn't get a signal yet. But I'll tell you what, it's not always about having a signal. If you are in profit and you are quite a bit, take a profit. Don't be afraid. This is cashed. So let's close them live. 1, 2, 3, and that is the only profit that I made for today. As you have seen, it was on 0. That brought us 273 euro profit. We are on minus 0.13 at the moment, and as orders will start moving, that will become green. So overall we're on 1% and 1.16% after 5 days of trading, because I've started last Monday at around this time when I made the first video. So not bad. We said that we're aiming for 2 to 3%. I expect to get a bit more this month. It's been a great month, and yeah, well, I'm not gonna make this video longer. I do have plans for the future to go over other aspects of trading, such as brokers, indicators, and the tools that we're using, and money management and everything, but that will be in another video. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more information if you like these videos, and as always, disclaimer: never follow my trades. Don't take my word for what the market is gonna do. This is my opinion on what I see the market is going to do, and it might not reflect the real market, what it's going to happen in the future. So see you in the next update.